I never imagined that this would take this long.
Spotlight on Maryland reported in December about 2 alleged squatters who took over a $2.3 million house in Bethesda.
Just make this very clear.
Tamieka Goode, the squatter and self-described pro se litigation coach,
You can't be doing regular people
featured the estate in a TikTok video posted on her account just 6 days ago. Goode was charged last year with multiple counts of burglary, trespassing, and other crimes associated with her squatter takeover of a multi-million-dollar Bethesda home. She had a scheduled court appearance on Thursday morning. In exclusive footage obtained by Spotlight on Maryland, Goode can be seen in a black Porsche Cayenne leaving the property soon before 7 to make it to court. During the trial, Goode argued that it was unclear which bank owned the foreclosed house because there was no clear trespassing sign. The assistant state's attorney for Montgomery County replied after hearing Goode repeat herself multiple times, saying, "I know who doesn't own the property, and that's Tamieka Goode," adding, "This isn't some vacant, abandoned, way out of the woods house."
Hi, Miss Tamieka Goode. Do you believe that squatting is a crime? Why are you in a $2.5 million property, Miss Goode?
After 3.5 hours of arguing her case before a judge as her own representative, we attempted to make contact during the trial's lunch break.
Get out my face.
Ma'am, why are you in a $2.5 million property?
Meanwhile, after Montgomery County Police followed Goode into the garage to survey her actions, she went back to the courthouse to argue her case for another hour and a half. Judge John C. Moffitt gave remarks before he made the ruling, telling Goode she had some demented thoughts to justify squatting. The prosecution replied, "This is frankly nuts." Goode was found guilty on all counts of burglary and breaking and entering and immediately sentenced to 90 days in prison.
I think the District Court of Maryland did the right thing today.
Ian Chen, a 19-year-old living with his parents in a neighboring house to the home Goode occupied, brought the case before a Maryland commissioner's office because he said he wanted to take back the neighborhood from criminals.
I felt it was my civic duty to do the right thing, to file these charges, and then to ultimately bring her to justice here today.
Another witness in Goode's trial, who asked not to be named for safety concerns, says he blames the state for a lack of action in what he says was terror.
There was a law that was trying to get passed to kind of streamline the process, but I think that got shot down. Make a rational, concise decision to change the rules where it differentiates a squatter from a legal tenant.
Until then, Bethesda neighbors say they will patiently wait until the next chapter of this squatter saga sees its day in court.
I was pretty scared. I mean, all of us in our neighborhood were. We have a lot of elderly folks who were afraid to even go to sleep at night because they were worried that someone like Tamieka or Tamieka herself would break in and be living in their house and refuse to leave.
We will continue to follow this matter and alleged squatting closely. I'm Gary Collins in Silver Spring with Spotlight on Maryland.
The other alleged occupant of that Bethesda home, Corey Pollard, was also due in court today, but we understand he did not appear because he was recently arrested on an outstanding unrelated warrant. If you have a story or a tip for our Spotlight on Maryland team, give them a call at the number on your screen. You can also email them at spotlightonmaryland@sbgtv.com. I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.